Hey Divine One, I'm glad you're here with me today. I have a really important message for you with the Inner Child Oracle cards. I want you to take a big deep breath with me in through your nose and out through your mouth and ask if this message is for you. If it is, listen up. Whoever you are listening to this, I know that you have such an important calling in life, that you are meant to change lives and create a ripple effect in this world. And these cards today are showing me the ways in which you're holding yourself back. So as you just listen, let yourself hear the truth and then be that conscious observer of what's going on around you. Okay, big deep breaths. The first card we got today with Julie is self-sabotage. He's saying it's time to look at what's been going on. You might have had some self-sabotaging behavior come up, and this always stems from fear of unworthiness. Maybe you were on this upward heel and you all of a sudden started to have some thoughts or behaviors that started to be the old way of you. Well, we don't need to feel shame or guilt about this. All we have to do is tell ourselves the truth, to look into ourselves and say, okay, I see where I did this and I see why, and go in and reparent that inner child to let him, her, or them know that they are truly worthy of all their dreams coming true. Willow is here reversed, saying that you may be afraid of taking up the space that you know that you have a right to claim on this earth in your mission. She asks you to go to Berenice, which is on my main profile if you want extra help. But Willow's really saying you deserve to take up space. So please allow yourself to do so. When Ulf Anchor is here in reverse, he's saying that you may be so focused on the end result of whatever this is that you aren't allowing space for magic, for source, for miracles to happen, right? If we have everything so tightly controlled and compacted, then source can't come through and perform miracles for us. So as you're learning to take up space, as you're learning to be in your own integrity, you also need to allow source to move through you. This self-sabotaging behavior and your inability to show up might be preventing you from opening up to all the miracles that are here for you. So what needs to happen is Poppy's here to say you need an outlet. You need some time and attention for yourself, but also in the form of letting it out, having support, knowing that it's not bad or weak to ask for help, but that you really do, as you move through this, need someone else to turn to as well. Your inner child also is just so ready for this message to be out into the world. She wants to scream it from the mountaintops. And she's really feeling sad that you are scared to not take up the space, to not allow the miracles to happen for you, to stand in your own way. So get the help you need, ask for it, and let your voice be heard. Breathe deep, plan on miracles. You deserve it, and so does your inner child.